Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest gadgets and gizmos to help you make informed decisions.
Today, we're diving into the Brother HL-L5210DW Business Monochrome Laser Printer. Let's see if this printer is a worthy addition to your office setup.
The Brother HL-L5210DW boasts an impressive array of features designed to streamline your printing experience. From fast print speeds to versatile paper handling, let's break down what makes this printer tick.
First up, speed.
With a blazing print speed of up to 48 pages per minute, you'll breeze through your printing tasks in no time.
Say goodbye to long queues at the printer. But what about operating costs?
Fear not, as Brother offers cost-efficient printing options with their genuine TN920XXL Super High-Yield Toner cartridge, capable of churning out a whopping 11,000 pages.
Plus, you get a starter toner cartridge included. Now, let's talk paper handling.
The HL-L5210DW comes equipped with a 250 sheet capacity paper tray, adjustable for letter or legal-sized paper, and a 100 sheet capacity multi-purpose tray for custom media or envelopes.
Need more?
You can expand the total capacity up to 1,390 sheets with optional trays.
Connectivity is key in today's digital age, and this printer doesn't disappoint.
It features built-in gigabit Ethernet and dual-band wireless networking, allowing seamless setup and sharing on your wired or wireless network.
Plus, you can easily print from a variety of mobile devices. Security is paramount, especially in business environments.
The HL-L5210DW is equipped with triple-layer security features to safeguard your network, devices, and documents from potential threats. In summary, the Brother HL-L5210DW Business Monochrome Laser Printer offers fast printing, cost-efficient operation, versatile paper handling, and robust security features. It's a solid choice for busy offices and small workgroups looking to boost productivity and streamline their printing workflows. That wraps up our review of the Brother HL-L5210DW. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, happy printing!